There's a new play toy. The whole thing is, it's kind of classic. It's full of crap. Literally. Peacock shit. And it's been sitting out in the weather forever. He's already ripped all the seeds out of it. That's good. See? Needs a severe cleanup job. Some cosmetic stuff. But other than that, it runs. Here's what I've been doing today. I've tried to replace these vents. Now I can adjust them. See here. Then that one. And there's one in the bathroom, one in the bedroom. Works a lot better too. Let's see. I think one of the old ones is in here. Ooh. Yeah, that's the kind that had in it. Plain Jane, nothing special. They didn't have them adjustable kind in the square ones. They were all round. So I made me some boards. It fixed it the way I wanted it. I don't know if you can hear me or not. There's storm number 2. Looks wicked. That's probably headed to the ranch. Try this again so we can do it without shaking.